Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. Continue with another cloudy day with some misty and dreary conditions out there this morning. Take a look at the current surface analysis. We can see a boundary just sitting just off the coast, otherwise high pressure sitting to the west. And we will continue with these dreary conditions as we go throughout the day and into the evening today before we see them break up just slightly ahead of this next system off to the west that will start to move into our area as we get into the day for our Wednesday. Take a look at the upper level winds from this morning's balloon sounding. We have some north-northwesterly winds near the surface, coming south to southeasterly as we go up through the column, but fairly light, with the peak wind around 21 knots at 25,000 feet. The freezing level is at 13,300 feet. Looking at the current visible satellite, we can see fairly light winds across the region and plenty of low cloud that is blocked in to our area, and we again will expect that to continue to stick around through the day today and into the morning hours for our Wednesday, with just a few showers off the coast. We look at the current short-term high-resolution model as we go throughout the day today, expecting things to remain dry. Just a very slight chance of seeing some drizzle, but we'll also see some misty conditions on and off as we go throughout the day today with low ceilings. So those clouds, again, will be locked in going through the overnight hours and into the beginning of our Wednesday. And as we go throughout the day, Wednesday, seeing some indication of some slightly better chance of maybe seeing some drizzle in the morning and then maybe a few light rain showers passing through the area as we go through the afternoon, as you'll see here. So bumped up our chances just a little bit for seeing a light rain shower passing through the day on our Wednesday. And as that boundary continues to push through the later part of the day Wednesday and into the overnight hours, we'll see things start to clear out behind it cloud-wise and set up for the better day of the week, which will be Thursday. So if we zoom out, take a look at the long-term model for it, starting off on our Thursday, see high pressure briefly move off to the northwest of the area, and then we'll see this low pressure start to show up in the picture off to the southeast. That's going to help to tighten up the pressure gradient in our local area, and we'll see winds start to ramp up during the day on Friday, and we'll see those breezy conditions continue into the weekend. Could see a very slight chance of maybe a few light sprinkles slipping into the area during the day Friday, but just a very slight chance at the moment. And as we go through the weekend, expecting things to remain cloudy, but on the dry side. But again, we'll see tight pressure gradient in the area, so we'll see some breezy conditions going into the end of the weekend, where we'll see the system start to move into our region. And as we go into the overnight hours and early morning hours, our overnight hours Sunday night into Monday, we'll see our rain chances likely start to increase as the system starts to approach our area for the beginning of next week. And after it passes through, we should see high pressure start to build in for the middle of the week. So take a look at the 24-hour weather risk chart as we go throughout the day today. The main risk will be these low ceilings and visibilities. So we are orange across the board for that as we go throughout the day today, with that low cloud staying locked in. Otherwise, temperatures expected to rise up to the mid to upper 60s, expecting a high around 68, with winds light out of the northwest and then becoming more easterly as we go through the overnight hours, but staying on the light side, expecting a low around 60 as we start our day on Wednesday. Tides are running slightly above normal at the moment. If we look at the next couple of days, again, bumped up the chances of precip for our Wednesday, about a 20% chance at the moment. So we are yellow for precip and yellow for those reduced ceilings and visibilities, as we'll have likely see some low clouds in the morning to start the day, and then becoming mostly cloudy, and then again that slight chance of drizzle, as well as a light rain shower in the afternoon with a slight breeze, expecting a high a little bit warmer of 73. As we go into Wednesday evening, we'll have that very slight chance of light rain early, and then we'll see those clouds start to decrease as that boundary pushes through with a low around 54. And going into Thursday, it looks to be the nicer day of the week with partly cloudy to conditions and slightly breezy for the day, particularly earlier in the day, with a high around 69 with green across the board for weather risk for our Thursday. If you look at the extended forecast as we go into Friday, put in that 10% chance of maybe seeing a sprinkle or two during the day on Friday, but otherwise starting off partly, becoming mostly cloudy, and then we'll see those breezy conditions start to ramp up again as that pressure gradient starts to tighten. High in the low 60s, and then as we go into Friday evening, expecting lows in the lower 50s, and we'll see those conditions continue as we go throughout the weekend with some mostly cloudy conditions and breezy, continuing with temperatures in the low to mid 60s and low temperatures in the low 50s. And then as we get into Monday, we'll see those rain chances increase, having about a 30% chance at the moment. So we'll see mostly cloudy conditions with chance of rain showers pushing through with that system, but slightly warmer with a high around 69. Well, that will wrap up the 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We'll be back again tomorrow at 8:15 and 10 a.m. Otherwise, enjoy the rest of your day.